Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining me today. The sun is just totally in the wrong place on my back deck, but I've tried to get it so that I can show you my trunk club. So welcome to my channel if you're new. I love having you here, and thank you so much for those who have subscribed and watch me on a regular basis, and especially those who comment, because it really does help me. I really do listen to the feedback. So today's trunk club, I could use some feedback. I've got to get it up today so that I can decide on my trend send that's due back in the mail by tomorrow. So I only have so much budget, I want to decide. So my stylist is Danae, and she's awesome. And if you don't know Trunk Club, they give you a preview. It's $25 unless you have the Nordstrom card, and then it doesn't cost anything. And they send you a preview of like 10 to 12 items, and you get to unbox those at home. So here's my bundle, plus I have 3 pairs of shoes today. So I'm super excited about that. So I will pause and unwrap everything so you don't have to do that, and then I will show you what I got, and I will probably have to do the try on later this evening, but you'll see it all together in one video, so hang on. Okay, I've pulled everything out of the wrap. I haven't actually looked at it, and I got my pricing sheet ready so I can read that off. First is the Lucy Floral Wrap Dress by Lush in a size small, black, and it's $49. So $49 for a dress is a good price. It's got beautiful red flowers. Oop, don't want to get too much in the sun. Beautiful red orange flowers. Wrap dress with a ruffle at the bottom. I look forward to trying that on. I've been looking for a wrap dress. If you've watched my other videos, you might know. Next is the stripe off the shoulder top by Soprano. Extra small. This looks extra small. Oh my gosh. So it is very stretchy. It's kind of that seersucker stretchiness to it with stripes. So that is $39 if I didn't say that. Then the utility shorts by Caslon, size 4 olive, $45. They're not done up. Hold on, do the button. They came like that. So cute little utility shorts. Pockets. Love it. This is a really pretty color green. Look at this green, y'all. So this is the smocked back Hinge green tank top, and it's just nice and soft and plain on the front, and then it's got the smocking gather on the back. So this next one, I'm not a huge polka dot girl, and this looks really short, but we'll give it a try. It's the print camisole in black by Lost Ink, and it is $48. The Rough Girls Club Wrap Dress by Billabong, size small, $54.95. So $54.95. Sorry, I keep getting in the sun. I apologize. The sun is just in the wrong place today, and I need to go back to work, so I couldn't wait any longer. So it does have long sleeves. It's a very thin material, long sleeves. It's a true wrap dress, and that's the print on it. So I may find my wrap dress. There's actually 3 in here, so that's 2 of them. Next is the peplum button front tank in navy, $49. So there it is. Really pretty, cute little patterns. I don't know if the buttons are showing up because they're navy buttons, but there are buttons. And it's got the peplum. The back is just straight across. That's very cute. It's $49. The Tensel shorts by Wit and Wisdom, nice brand, in color flax, $58. So Wit and Wisdom is a nice brand. And these aren't buttoned either. Makes you wonder if somebody else has been trying them, or so here they are. They're super soft, got the cargo. I asked her for a cargo style in tan or olive, so that's what she sent. Danae is awesome. These feel great, Danae. And my last clothing item is another dress by Chica. Remember that lemon skirt? I did reorder it. I had to go up 2 sizes because it was a junior size. So thank you, Danae, for thinking I can wear a junior size, but I can't. Or I can, it just has to be like a medium or large. So ruffle sleeve floral maxi dress in a small, so hopefully this is women's small, ruffle, and then it's a wrap, and this one has a high-low bottom. That's not going to show up on the camera, but I will try it on. So the shoes, let me show you my shoes. I have 3 pairs of shoes. One is by, I won't show you the box, it'll blow it out, Soludos, S-O-L-U-D-O-S. I've never heard of that brand, but I like the shoes. It's this style here that has the rope wedge and then a canvas slide. So these are awesome summer comfortable wear with your casual dresses to work. Or the second option I have in that is by Caslon. And these have a strap. The others you just slide in. This one's got the strap and it's got the cross, but the rope. So I asked her for the rope espadrille kind of heely shoe. So I'm really, really hopeful that one of these fits. This one looks like it's kind of got some soil on it, like it's been worn around or something. I might have to take a little rag and see if I can get that off. And then hazards of trunks, right? And then my last pair of shoes is Converse, and it's just the standard Converse Chuck. And so the thing is, this one doesn't tie, it just has the elastic. So I have a pair of Sperry's that are like this, and they're actually not very comfortable. So I wanted to get these and wear them around, and if they're comfortable, I would like to get these. So that's my plan. Hang on for the try on. I'm not sure if it's gonna be right now my time, but it's gonna be right now your time, so hang on. Okay, first up is the Lucy floral wrap dress by Lush. It's $49, and this is, I think, a beautiful, simple, real wrap dress. I don't think it's too short. You can let me know what you think. I like the sleeve. It's a great price. If you are looking for a stylist that listens to you, I asked that I was looking for a wrap dress that actually fit my body and wanted some lower price points. The best thing about using my referral link is you get my stylist. So if you're interested in that, then I invite you to do that. That's the first dress. Let me do the other wrap dresses. Okay, next is the Billabong geranium rough girls club wrap dress, and this is $54.95, and it's a little too boobylicious, but here it is in case you want to see. And I did try them on with the Soludos wedges. Woo, that blows out. And I can't even get my feet in them. They're really, really small. So that's sad. So we'll be back with the next one though. Okay, so next is the Chica dress, and I love that brand, just like my skirt. So this is it's a real wrap, got the ruffle sleeve, and then it's a maxi, but it's short in the front and then goes long in the back. So it feels very comfortable, very flowy. I like the material. It feels like it would pack well, and it's $49. So it's a deal, it's a steal. And I'm really kind of debating how much I like this one compared to the Tensel dress. So also I have on the shoes. The lighting's not the best on the shoes, sorry about that, but here's the Caslon wedges. These are $89.95. They are super, super comfortable, super soft. Like the way they fit and walk. So these are really what I was looking for, so these are probably a definite yes. Okay, this is the Smocked Back Tank by Hinge in green for $39. It's obviously a little low cut. Wouldn't wear this to work, but for a date night or for vacation out sightseeing where it's really hot, I don't know, tell me what you think. I'm loving the color. I think the back is cute. I think it would be nice and cool when it's hot. These are the pants. Which ones are these? These are Tensel Wit and Wisdom shorts. So I have to back up pretty far to see the length on them, but I think it's a nice length. I think the pocket details are really cute. Yeah, it's a little roomy, but I wouldn't want these tight. I kind of like it. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I'm going to show you the shoes. All right, these are the Converse. They seem comfortable. I'm going to wear them for all the shorts and tops try on, see how they feel, but they're definitely more comfortable than what I have now. So it might be a good option for sightseeing. We'll see. Okay, this next one is by Lost Ink. It's a print camisole in black, $48. It just has ties on the sleeve. They're super long strings, so I guess, I don't know, but I had to tie it up pretty tight so it wouldn't come down too far under the arms. You could tie it tighter or looser. It's got the print polka dot, which polka dots are not my thing, but I thought I would try it. And then this ruffle is kind of killing me. I'm just like, I mean, yeah. It's like do 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 do. I'm thinking not so much. All right, these are the Caslon utility shorts though, in olive, and I think they're pretty cute. I like the pockets. I like the back and the length, and it feels pretty comfortable. So that might be a win. You'll have to let me know if you like those or the tan ones by Wit and Wisdom better. Okay, next we have a shirt by Soprano. It's the stripe off the shoulder top. It's $39. I like that it's very comfortable. It's very loose and lightweight and flowy, particularly the entire bottom. I like the way it hangs. I like the stripes. I like the way they cross here and they go this way. It is pretty good, but when you lift, it's gonna come up and you're always gonna have to be adjusting actually around the boobs and look for little wardrobe malfunctions because the bra can actually show. These can slide apart and peekaboo your bra, so that would kind of be an issue. So maybe I'll play with it a little more, wear it a little more. It seems like it might be a little too high maintenance for me though. Okay, last top is by Gibson, the Peplum button front tank, $49. I think the colors are beautiful. I'm not sure about the shape and that. I do think it's very easy, very lightweight, very comfortable. It's great if it was super hot out. I think this would be very comfortable. You can have lots of movement. It's not going to pull up or down. It's going to kind of cover your booty a little. So I'll be right back with some thoughts. Okay, so some final thoughts. Besides the fact that trying on clothes really messes up your hair, which I am actually having done in 2 days, so I'm super excited. It's overdue, I know. Sorry about that. So clothes. The espadrille wedge sandals by Soludos in blush for $94. $95, one of the most expensive things, and they were too small. I couldn't even get them on my feet, so that makes that kind of an easy decision. Plus, these are they don't have the back strap, they're just kind of a flip-flop, so I actually prefer the other one, which isn't next on the list. Next on the list is the Lucy floral wrap, and I actually prefer this vibrant print to the other one, but this one was the short one. I thought this one fit lovely, so it's a maybe. That was $49. It's a great price, but I only need one wrap dress, and I'm kind of leaning towards the other one. The off the shoulder striped Soprano top was $39. I think it's unique. I think it's comfortable. I'm considering it. The green one, I love this color. I love how soft it is. I am thinking maybe I would like to request a small. This is actually an extra small, and normally I am a women's small, so I'm thinking I might want to try it to see if there's just a teeny bit more coverage up top, and compare it, but I could probably make this work just because I love the color, but it just feels just a little too much. This one, and that one was $39. I'm not doing a great job of that. I'll put everything in the description box for you too. This is the Lost Ink Black 48. It's an easy no for me, although I see the potential, and it really could be really cute. Just totally not me. The girl wrap dress Billabong. This is also a very pretty color. Good choice, good job, good pick. Just too much in the front. That was definitely over the top. The green one was borderline. That one was definitely over the top. Too much. The peplum front tank, which is this one in navy, it's $49. Cute price, cute print, still wearing it. It's comfortable. I like it. It could be mine. It's a consideration. And then the tensel shorts by Wit and Wisdom. I really love this material. It seems like it would dry quickly. It's nice and lightweight. $58. Little expensive for shorts, but that's an investment. Classic tan cargo short. I don't have any problem with that. So I don't know if I need both that pair and the olive pair, which I still have on, which are by Caslon. So, and then the last wrap dress by Chica. Again, I prefer the vibrant pattern to this kind of muted rose print, but I like the muted rose. It's okay, I can live with that, and I love everything else about it. So the cut, the fit, the length, and the flow, this is really fun, and I think this was $49. $49. So this, I'm kind of leaning towards this, but tell me, it's this or the Lush or the Trenton blue dress is still in the running. It's really too long, y'all. If I am not wearing 3 to 4 inch heels, it's completely on the ground, and it's $30 to hem that dress, so it'd be a $100 dress. And that one, I could get both of these dresses for the same price as the Trenton dress. So that's probably going to be the debate over the next 24 hours because I have to send all that back tomorrow. So, and the Converse, which I'm also still wearing. They're very comfortable. I like these. They're probably mine, $50. So you can let me know what you think. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna have to make some decisions, and I appreciate you watching and taking time out of your day to share this with me, and look forward to watching everybody else's unboxings, and just really hope that you have a blessed evening. Thanks so much.